Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2019 BMW 5 Series. This BMW is powered by all-wheel drive, 4.4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 74,597 miles. Experience ultimate luxury with this 2019 BMW 5 Series. Pre-owned but kept in perfect condition, it offers state-of-the-art technology, sleek design, and superior performance. Live your driving dreams today. This pre-owned 5 Series comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this BMW 5 Series is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, head-up display, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive headlights, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.